Can't see my bears. Bears? There are bears. When I say bananas, you say peppers. And today we're gonna do a video like we have not done in a very long time, you guys. Today we are gonna be unboxing more of my 50 pounds of mystery boxes to unbox. What have I called that series? We are gonna find, we have already found them, random mystery things that have either been like PR over the years, or I have collected over the years, or I've been in the store and I was only able to find one, so I felt like I could not make one single mystery box a video. So today I have grouped together a magical assortment and we are gonna unbox them here today together. Very first thing, it was a mystery to me, but it is not a mystery to you guys. Well, you know what? It is still a mystery. Look at this abomination that I love. It is Pop-Taters. I guess this is like a new thing happening in the world where they are taking the concept of Mr. Potato Head and another thing and they are smashing them together and creating things like this. So this is supposed to be the Good Luck Trolls Collector's Edition Mr. Potato Head Treasure Troll. I really feel like my desk needed one of these. So it was a mystery to me as to which color of hair he was going to arrive with, but thankfully it's green. I feel like green, well, you know what? There's three colors that I would choose. Pink, like a magenta, fuchsia pink, green, or blue. I felt like those would have been any of the colors that I preferred, so I am incredibly grateful that we got green. There's another mystery aspect of this guy, which is the surprise body parts. That's not usually a phrase you want to hear. Surprise body parts. Well, I'm struggling down here. Give me a second. Time to discover those mystery body parts, which I guess are gonna be, oh God, look, he needed these yesterday for the eclipse. Look at the little legs. They kind of bend. The arms twist and twirl. The hair is styled. It feels, oh, that. Okay. Do y'all remember the little like paperclip assistant for Microsoft or something? This would be my paperclip assistant if I designed, you know, like, do you need any help today? Maybe. The belly button is removable. Wow. Okay, so the surprise body parts are gonna be contained in the butt, and we got two pink things. What is this? It's not a tongue. Are these pink ears? I don't understand. We received two of them. We certainly did. I don't know why I thought they would be like two different body parts. That also like doesn't make any sense. Like one foot and one nose. I don't know. They say that there are interchangeable parts, like the face pops off, the hair pops off. Do some of the trolls have different faces? Like, was that also part of the mystery? I don't know. Oh. Why did I not think that that was gonna happen? He's cute and terrifying. I feel like I actually got him when there was like an Amazon Prime Day sale. So that tells you right there how long he's been waiting to be born. All right, you guys, the thing that is up next, which is kind of why I thought I would not grab too many mystery items today. This item has intrigued and haunted me for years. I want to know what's in here. I think I only paid like $2 for this on AliExpress years ago, and it was mystery patches. I don't know if we get 50 in here or 100. My quick visual assessment of this does not tell me. I'm gonna go with 50. Maybe there's like 25. I don't know. What are the patches? There was no clue. It just said mystery patches, and now we're gonna flip through them together because I'm curious. I'm also curious, like, is there gonna be repeats? Wait, is this mother-daughter tea? Is this freaking like Girl Scouts or something? Did AliExpress rob the Girl Scouts? Aviation Fun. Oh, I love this one. Earth Day 21? Y'all? Animal Shelter Tour. We have robotics. Some of these do look really, really fun. Virtual meeting? That is a thing that happens. Game night. See, that one's like more fun. That's more my speed. Trivia fun. That is cute. Am I gonna say that after every single one? Yoga. Halloween Fun 20. That one is like specifically for me. We have, oh, our first repeat. We have another virtual meeting. We have Songs and S'mores. We have Hop Into Spring 21. And we have take a hike. That sounds slightly insulting, but all right. And we have another repeat, which is the animal shelter tour again. And y'all, I see some more repeat. Like, look at this. I have a handful of Girl Scout patches. I haven't had that since I was 6. Hop into spring again. Horseback riding. Love it. Yoga. This one's different. Cabin camping. A little glamping. We have first aid, only slightly traumatic. Hop into spring. Tree planting. These sound like fun activity. There should be like adult Girl Scouts where you just get together in a group of people and plant some trees. Use resources wisely. Ooh, we have a different s'mores patch. Heart s'mores. We have robotics again. We have holiday crafts. Boo! Look, this doesn't even look Girl Scout related. This one is just like, for me. Think, act, self-defense. Is this, why does those letters kind of look like backwards to me a little bit, right? Tree planting, art in the park. What park? I'll be there. Virtual meeting, Earth Day 21, virtual meeting. They really love that one. Scavenger hunt. I constantly think about getting into geocaching and then I never do. Look at this, horseback riding, but like with a Renaissance fair twist. The pony looks more realistic than the person. The pony also looks like it's questioning like, what are you doing riding me right now, you know? Earth Day 21, virtual meeting, first aid, Earth Day 21, virtual meeting, Earth Day 21. What is this? Trampoline fun? Y'all, virtual meeting. Oh, we have another boo, another ghost. Movie day. This one is cute and fun. Cute and fun. Leave no trace in a paw print. Fascinating. And then we have the last one is another scavenger hunt one. Y'all, who designs these patches? Honestly, because they are cute. Okay, so that like did not take as long as I thought that it would, but did anybody keep count how many patches did we just get? That is going to be so fun to clean later. All right, you guys, another thing that I'm very excited to open today is another Real Littles shoes. I think we've unboxed 2 of these before. I currently have one of the pairs in the front of my Ita bag. I can show you right now. It is kind of messed up right now. I need to like redo this. Oh, they're not hanging in there. They're like, they have fallen. I keep trying to find like the best pins to secure things to my Ita bag. And I really thought that I had found it with these kind of like circular pins, but they're just like literally falling out. You guys, I don't know what, but I was curious to see, would I get another pair of shoes that I liked more than those? Would I want to have 2 pairs of shoes in the front of my Ita bag? I don't know. I'm about to redo the whole thing. So I thought today would be a perfect time to not open these. Do we need scissors? I'm kind of asking the bag here. Do we need that? Okay, we do. We need scissors. Scissors, yes. I thought that these were very, very adorable. Dare I say I almost like these even more than the Rainbow High shoes. Yes, I do. The Rainbow High mystery shoes, just because I feel like these are more convenient, that they are already a keychain. And I do also feel like they are really realistic. Like they look like real, I don't know, Adidas or Reebok or something. I don't remember. It's been a very long time since I've opened any of these, but let's see what we're gonna get today. They also have a pretty cute and realistic shoebox. I like the tissue paper. What did we get? Oh yeah, see, that's what I mean. These look just like Converse. These also look like they're belted like rainbow sherbet or something, like a little bit tie-dye. I love the little laces that you can actually tie. And once again, absolutely huge bonus points for being a keychain, because that to me, it is fun and it is functional. The checklist is in here. I know that there were like some super rares, so let's see what it is. And if that was one of them, we got, wait, okay, I like literally feel like we had this experience before where I was looking on here and I did not see the ones we got on the chart. And once again today, I do not see the ones we got on the chart. Because look, the tie-dye is the most similar in my opinion, but it's not the same. same. I mean, that is like very clearly a swirly tie-dye, and this is more just like this kind of tie-dye, you know? Quite different. But you can see they grouped like all the same brands or shoe styles like in the same row on the chart. These are not on there. What are these? I don't know. I like them. They're cute, but they're not on the chart. And I forgot the special limited edition of these. They light up. That would be honestly amazing to find. I really like these. I think they're super cute. I have to change the camera battery. I'll be right back. All right, another Real Littles. This feels like a jar. I think that I got this from Five Below forever ago. Y'all, I still kind of feel that way. I feel like it's a little bit difficult to find Shopkins anymore. I feel like they do still make them, although I feel like this one is quite old, but it's like I can't find them anywhere except for occasionally Five Below and Amazon. I'm pretty sure I got these on Amazon, but I don't know. So for many, many years, I've only been able to find the single packages at Five Below. So there is only one Shopkin in here, and you guys, like, why can I not open anything today? Ooh, I feel like this is a new one. It is Breyer's Mint Chocolate Chip. New to me, obviously, but this is cute. I really use these quite a bit whenever I do like baby Shrek content or any of my like little reborns. I like the slightly larger minis sometimes because it looks like more realistic. Is baby Shrek in here? I feel like this just looks like a little bit more realistically sized for him sometimes than mini brands, but let's see what the actual Shopkin is. That's the thing too. I feel like the Shopkins got more and more detailed as the years went on. Like the faces and the painting really got a lot better than like when I first ever opened Shopkins like 10 years ago. The only thing that is kind of a bummer in my opinion is I feel like a lot of them in the very beginning were pencil toppers. So it was just kind of cute to like decorate your pencils or whatever. And now they are more like little mini figures. But once again, I feel like I'm only ever on the quest for these for the exterior non-Shopkin packaging to add to my props for the reborns. Two last things. One of these, I have never opened any of the Miniverse lifestyle. You can make like aquariums. I think those are candles. Are those candles? Cactuses. That would be amazing. Like these are like little plants and animals and like little home decor and stuff. You know what? I'm kind of tempted to do a pinhole test really quick, although I don't see a pinhole. You guys know I've been doing that hack now. That's how I found like the Wonka bars and everything else. The only thing I see is a tiny little pencil mark by the shovel here. That's the only thing that looks like it might be a mark. And now I'm too curious. I have to see if I can predict what this is going to be before I open it. They were doing pencil marks with the original first couple of series, and then they switched to like pinhole. I feel like the pinhole is so much easier to determine what you're gonna get than the little pencil mark. But let me see if I think I can figure out what this is gonna be. Okay, so the only thing that I found for these was doing it by weight. So we're just gonna open this one. Although I swear that that is the most tiniest, nearly indistinguishable pencil mark. Like I'm kind of scared now that everybody found out like the code. Like, are they gonna stop marking them? I sincerely hope not, because I think I've said this in other like Miniverse videos. My interest in collecting them skyrocketed once I could figure out which ones I was buying. I knew I could get the exact ones I wanted, and I knew that I wouldn't just be buying doubles. All of these look fun, so I don't really feel like there's something that I would not want or something, but I guess I would probably like the fish or the cactus the most. Y'all, I really can't even determine at this point what we got. Have a sunny day. And it is... oh my god, okay, it's candles. Y'all, I really had to look at this for an embarrassingly long amount of time. Look at all the little mini packaging though. It's so cute. So this is gonna make birthday cake candles. This says scents on it, and I'm really curious if it actually is scented. It cannot be. It cannot be actually scented. Oh my gosh, I'm just like unwrapping this. I thought I was gonna have to tear it. This I think is like the stand, like a little tray for the candles. We have the Be Happy Birthday Bee Wax. That is the liquid resin component. Then we have the little tweezers. Wow, you get a lot in these balls, honestly. These are Sunshine Candle Co. I'm guessing these are gonna be the receptacles to make. Yes. Oh, that's cute. Y'all, look at the cute packaging. So you can make 2 different sizes of candles. You get this small jar, this taller jar, but this is really giving like the Wonka ball vibes. Like you have packing, tiny little worms, box, variety. And then this is, look at the instructions, you guys. The instruction manuals are wild. And then lastly, we have 2 more things. Y'all, I really don't know what this is. I really do not know what this is. Do you set the tray? No? Maybe you display it like that? I don't know. And then this is the cap to like more finely be able to squirt the resin in there. And that's it. Then we have this. I feel like it kind of comes apart in a way that like they're suggesting that you can do. Is it a shelf? Oh my God, look, I just figured it out. Okay, it's like that. Because I was like, usually there is some kind of display aspect, like the, oh look, it actually fits in there. Look at that. Okay, I actually like this way better, honestly, than the little like thing like this, like the display dome. I think that this is actually really cute. So it clips into place and you can display the little creation you make. That's very cute. I still don't know that I would display mine like that personally, but I think it's a much better option than like putting your creations under this like weird little dome thing. And you guys, last but not least, something that I both like and don't like, oddly enough, wacky packages. So these are series 2. I don't remember. I think I accidentally like got these delivered by accident. I think that there was a series 3 and that's what I ordered, but then they sent like a bunch of series 2 and I think I had already unboxed a lot of these with you guys, but I still just like missed the return window or something. So we're getting hungry, jerk. Is this pancake mix? Is that what that's supposed to be? I mean, these are just definitely for the puns. They kind of look like they could be mini brands, but I feel like they're not believable enough to be mini brands. I like the other things. You know what? This is the same brand that does this. So I definitely like this brand's like other stuff better, but I don't know. Like these are kind of funny to me in a way, and kind of on the other hand, I'm not that crazy about them. Awful bits. And then we get all of these little mystery packets to unbox. We've got 4 of them. So let's rip them open. I feel like there are a couple of these that I would really want. Macaroni and geese, the queasiest. But yeah, I feel like there's a couple of these that I would really want, but I somehow never get those. I get the ones that are like kind of weird. I don't know, like this one, no tips instead of Q-tips. I feel like when I unbox these and don't have like an out loud chortle, it just makes me seem like I am a humorless person or something. I don't know. We have Barnum's Manimals. What is this? They're animal crackers, but they have man faces. That is horrifying. It is like a man lion face. I like the little like, they tried to make a string here on the top. It is just plastic, but we do have Barnum's Manimals. That one's kind of funny and also kind of horrifying. This one feels flat. Door, peppermint potty, candy toilet seat. Oh, the concept. Yep. It's gone now. Anyway, you guys, that is it for me today. I feel like we had some very cute and exciting things. What is my favorite thing of the day? I feel like far and away, my adorably hideous treasure troll potato head. He is definitely going to be the highlight of my desk. Wait, okay, I'm trying to understand now. Are these supposed to be, look, he has holes down here too. Does that make any sense? Like, is this, no, what would that be? They almost could look like earrings, I guess. What was I thinking there? I was like, oh, maybe you put them in there. I don't know about that. Potato people ever have earrings? I really thought I was discovering something with the ear shelves here. Look at that. Beautiful, my new little friend. Yes. Anyway, you guys, I feel like I'm gonna get back on track and make some more of these. Why? Because I do have lots of more random mystery things that we can unbox together. But yeah, thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is going to be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much. Bye!